Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is gonna be about domain flipping alone. I made a video a few weeks back about the top 4 jobs students can do to make money online, and some of you asked me in the comment section to make a standalone video about domain flipping. So this video is going to focus only on domain flipping. So I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step guide on how to get started with domain flipping. So even if you have no previous knowledge or you have no previous experience with anything online business, this is going to be good for you. It's going to be able to help you get started. So I'm going to show you and tell you all you need to know to get started with this domain flipping. I'm going to give you the updated methods that work currently. This is still a good way to make some money in 2020. So even for those of you who didn't watch the previous video about the top 4 jobs students can do this year, domain flipping basically means the process of buying a domain. You purchase a domain with the intent to resell at a significantly higher cost than you bought. So that's basically domain flipping. Just like in real estate, you buy a house and then you sell later for profit. So that's what the same principle applies to domain flipping. So there are so many websites that let you purchase domains and resell them too, but the one I usually use when I was actively flipping domains, I only use them, namecheap.com, for this particular reason, because back then in Nigeria, a few years back in Nigeria, all the government, all the banking institutions, they had a problem. So we are not allowed to use our cards to make purchases online. We are not allowed to use Nigerian cards to buy anything online. So I had to resort to using cryptocurrencies. And Namecheap at that time was the only register that would let you buy domains with your Bitcoin back then. So that's my go-to site. I'm gonna be able to show you guys this process using this website today. So first things first, you go to namecheap.com. That's my preferred registrar. I've already explained the reason why I prefer Namecheap to you guys earlier. So if you don't have an account, you click on sign up and you sign up quickly to create an account. So I'm gonna give you guys a few tips. So when I started this, what I did initially was to only focus on one method, which was geo-targeted domains. These ones are very easy to sell. You can just like find any state in America or any city or any country you would like to, and then find a domain that is going to have the geo-targeted name of this place. For example, get fit. This get fit, maybe New York. Let's search if it's available. So once you click on it, it takes you to search if it's available or not. So this one has been registered by somebody 18 years ago. So it's not available. You search for something else. Like this is like it could have been a very easy domain to flip, because you can easily, I will explain how to, once you find a domain you like, I will explain later how to find your clients, your people that are going to your potential customers, how to reach out to them, how to do your marketing outbounding. So we're going to find a domain that is going to look appealing, like it's going to look nice. So firstly, you find a domain that you think is going to, you have to pay attention. Make sure that those are the tips that worked for me. Make sure that the name of the domain is very short and easy to remember. Make sure it's a geo-targeted domain. I've already explained what that is. And also make sure it's something that can be branded easily. So let me search for a domain that we could start with. Maybe okay, get fit Houston, or get fit Alaska. Oh, it's available. Wow. So this is the Get Fit Alaska is available for sale for almost $9, 8.88 cents. So now it's available. What you need to do is you have to go to this website. This next website is called STBot. So what this website does is like it basically appraises your domain and tells you maybe how much you could potentially earn from this domain. So this is the website. You come to STBoat, you put in the domain that you intend to buy. Basically it does is it tells you if it will appraise this domain that you intend to buy and tells you if it's a valuable domain. Look at the information it's giving you. Get Fit Alaska. Oh, it's telling us that this domain is not going to be valuable, and this is the reason why it's not valuable. Low interest. Popular extensions including .net and .org appear to be available. Low searches. The term Get Fit Alaska is not commonly searched for on Google. So this is a very useful website. It could be it's the game changer. It tells you whether a potential domain could be, profitable for you to go in to buy and flip later. But it's not always accurate, but most of the time it's accurate. But in the case of Get Fit Alaska, well, I've seen that this bot tells us that it's not profitable, it's not well searched. But I still think that something like this, sometimes there are like unicorns that could defy the algorithms, and make you some money, even though the bots have told you, appraise them and tell you that they're not going to make you some money. But 90% of the time the bots are right. I'm just going to continue with this domain to explain to you guys the concepts, the step by step on how to go about this. So tell you, okay, let me try something else. Let's just try it like getfit.com. I'm sure it's already taken, but just for the sake of to show you guys what kind of information this website is going to give you. So it shows us that this one could fetch you $28,000 if it were available to purchase. So why is it valuable? Great extension. The .com has the highest resale value, is highly searched. Get Fit, it told you the reasons why it could be profitable. Whereas when we search for Get Fit Alaska, it told us that it was going to get us or maybe less than $100 because it's not valuable. So this site is going to be useful for you guys. So that's by the way. All right, so assuming you register this domain, you're done with everything on Namecheap. So what you need to do, I'm going to explain to you guys a very important concept again. The step 2, after you're done buying the domain, you've done appraising the domain, you think everything is like checked out. So what you do is you have to do outbound marketing. There are 2 categories. Inbound marketing, basically when the customers have to find you by themselves. But in this our case, you have to do outbound marketing because you're the one trying to reach out to this clients to let them know of what you have that could be useful to them. The reason why I said geo-targeted domains are easy to sell, for example, this getfitalaska.com, you can easily go on Facebook or Instagram and search for fitness houses in Alaska, and then you can send them an email, tell them that you have this like a domain available, Get Fit Alaska, and if they can buy it, they can be able to build a brand based on this idea. You can pitch it to them. You're a salesman, you're trying to pitch your domain. You have to have some good marketing skills, right? And then you could either sell the domain on the marketplace of namecheap.com. You could look at all the domains that are available. This is a marketplace for domains in namecheap.com. These are the prices of the domains available for sale. Look at all of them, see different prices. So if these people bought all these domains for $8, look at the prices. farmteamusa.com, 10,000, 8,000. So you have to be creative, when you're searching for a domain name. You have to use your head, be very creative. So when you could either sell on namecheap.com or you could go to Flipper. Flipper is a very good website. It's a very good website that people use to flip domains. You buy domains. It's one of the most widely used domain flipping websites. So Flipper is good as well. You could sell with here. Look at this one. This is one they featured. Look at the price. It's 89,000 from this one is 45,000, 35,000 for this domain. You see, domain flipping is still profitable. Okay, there is another one too. Afternick.com is good. Sedo.com is like good too. So you go to this, any of these sites, sell domain, buy domains and everything. So basically, again, I'm gonna tell you guys an important tip. Also, you could go on trends.google.com to find what people are searching for. This is a very useful tool, so it could make you understand the popular searches on Google, and then you can tailor your domain search to this. So I've given you the tips that worked for me. So basically, what you have to do, like I've already mentioned, is like you register the domain on namecheap.com. You go to STBot, estimate if this domain is valuable. If it's valuable or not, I mean, depending on how you feel about the domain, you can do your research on potential clients, reach out to them, do your marketing, outbound marketing, and you're gonna find like someone to buy your domain. All right, research on your own again, and then, I mean, the world is your oyster. So just like put your creativity into good use. Use your head. Think of cool, creative domain names. Then apply these principles I've just told you now. Narrow it down to a niche. Make sure it's targeted, very short and easy to remember. And then reach out to businesses that could potentially buy this from you. And yeah, that's all. So please, guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Please let me get